not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. IPS officer Aparna Kumar aims to trek which of the following highest peak in North America? Mount Denali, Mount Elbrus, Mount Aconcagua, Mount Kilimanjaro. The answer is A, Mount Denali. Mount Denali, also known as the Mount McKinley, which is the highest mountain peak in North America. Earlier we have discussed already, Aparna Kumar became the first IPS officer to conquer the South Pole. She is a 2002 Uttar Pradesh cadre IPS officer. She scaled prominent peaks in 6 continents and now she aims to conquer the North Pole. You need to know all the highest peaks in the 7 continents. Very important from exam point of view, as these peaks are appearing in news each and every day. So do remember all these 7 continents which we have discussed already in previous video. Just pause the video for a few seconds and go through. Which of the following book is the biography of Deepa Karmakar? The Small Wonder, The Race of My Life, Playing to Win, Unbreakable. The answer is A, The Small Wonder. The Small Wonder book has been launched recently by the legendary cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. Deepa Karmakar is the India's first ever female gymnast to compete in the Olympics. She performed Pradhanova vault in 2016 Rio Olympics. She came 4th yet soared into the hearts of millions across the globe. And remember, she is from the state of Tripura. Who became the fastest Indian to reach 100 wickets in one-day international cricket? Mohammad Shami, Yuzvendra Chahal, Jasprit Bumrah, Kuldeep Yadav. The answer is A. Mohammad Shami became the fastest Indian to reach 100 wickets in ODIs in just 56 matches. Earlier this record was on Irfan Pathan, who got to the landmark in just 59 matches. India beat New Zealand by 8 wickets in the first ODI, which took place in Napier of New Zealand. Now remember the new places, very important from exam point of view. There can be question here. The Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces INF Treaty bans missiles with a range above how many kilometers? Above 300 kilometers, above 400 kilometers, above 500 kilometers, or above 600 kilometers? The answer is C, above 500 kilometers. The INF Treaty bans missiles with a range above 500 kilometers. Remember this topic, very important for all the State Public Service Commissions and the UPSC. The INF Treaty is a 1987 arms control agreement between the United States and the Soviet Union. Earlier, Russia deployed 9M729 missile, which prompted Washington to say it will withdraw from the treaty, and Washington gave Russia a 60-day deadline, which ends on Feb 2nd, 2019, to dismantle the missile, or US would formally withdraw from the treaty. Now, Russian artillery chief says that missile range does not violate the INF Treaty, and the missile 9M729 maximum range is just 480 kilometers and not above 500 kilometers. Which telecom company got a contract from Indian Railways for the closed user group recently? Airtel, BSNL, Idea, Reliance Jio. The answer is D, Reliance Jio. Reliance Jio got one of the biggest mobile contracts in the country by bagging the closer user group mobile communication network for the entire Indian Railways. Now this contract has been finalized by the RailTel, which will be for the 3-year period until November 2021. Who has been appointed from the Congress party as the in charge of Eastern Uttar Pradesh recently? Raj Babbar, Naseeb Singh, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Priyanka Gandhi. The answer is D. Priyanka Gandhi has been appointed from the Congress party as the in charge of Eastern Uttar Pradesh. Now, Eastern Uttar Pradesh is known as the stronghold of the BJP, and both Prime Minister Modi and CM Yogi Adityanath. The constituencies of the Prime Minister Modi is Varanasi, and Yogi Adityanath's constituency Gorakhpur are in the Eastern Uttar Pradesh. And Jyotiraditya Scindia is named as the in charge of the Western Uttar Pradesh ahead of 2019 polls. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated a museum on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, sorry for the typo error, on the occasion of his 122nd birth anniversary. Where is the museum located? Indian Museum, Kolkata; Red Fort, Delhi; Garment Museum, Chennai; Salajam Museum, Hyderabad. The answer is B. Red Fort of Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also inaugurated the Yad-e-Jallian Museum, which depicts the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and the museum on 1857, India's first war of independence, and Drishya Kala Museum on Indian art within the Red Fort complex. The entire complex of these museums will be known as the Kranti Mandir or the Temple of Revolution. What is the name of the largest coastal drill conducted by India along its coastline? Excise Sea Vigil, Excise Coast Guard, Excise Samudra Rakshak, Excise Ocean Protection. The answer is A. Excise Sea Vigil, very important. Excise Sea Vigil is the largest coastal drill conducted by India along its coastline. 10 years after the 26/11 Mumbai terrorist attacks, India conducted its largest coastal defense drill known as Excise Sea Vigil. Now, the main aim of this sea vigil is to test its preparedness along the entire 7516.6 kilometers long coastline of the country. Remember, the coastline kilometers, very important. Let's see the question for the day. Which of the following launching vehicle to launch ISRO's first mission of 2019? PSLV C-44, GSLV C-44, PSLV C-43 or the GSLV C-43? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. 7 times Australian Open winner Serena Williams crashed out of the Australian Open 2019, defeated by Karolina Pliskova. Which country does Karolina Pliskova belongs to? Switzerland, Czech Republic, Germany or Denmark? The answer is B. Czech Republic. The players along with the countries are very important. Karolina Pliskova is Czech professional tennis player, currently ranked as world number 7 by the Women's Tennis Association. Quote for the day: everything happens for a reason. See the bigger picture. If something didn't go according to your plan, don't get depressed. Everything happens for a reason and you just need to see the bigger picture. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.